Hey everybody, welcome to the Audio Advice YouTube channel where we review high-end audio gear from brands all around the world. Now, do me a favor while I've got your attention real quick, hit subscribe right below this video and also hit that bell notification icon because then you're gonna get a notification for every single time we put out a new video. Today, I've got the pleasure of hanging out with you guys and showing you the unreleased Audioengine A2 wireless desktop and bookshelf speaker. Now, the A2 powered bookshelf series from Audioengine have been highly regarded as a compact yet powerful desktop and bookshelf speaker. Now, being fans of Audioengine ourselves, we were super excited when they sent us this unreleased pair of A2 wireless speakers, and we put them to a few tests, and we're going to share those results with you in this video. Now, straight out of the box, the Audioengine A2 wireless speakers come in a smooth microfiber bag. Now, there are 4 bags, 2 containing accessories and 2 containing the actual speakers, as you can see here. All right, so here's what comes in the box and out of those 4 microfiber bags that we just mentioned. You have a 3.5 millimeter audio cord. You have your power supply and accessories, a USB cord, and a pair of speaker wires. All right, let's take a look at what is on the back of these speakers in terms of inputs and features. So you do have volume knob, you have your pair button for Bluetooth, USB, you have a 3.5 millimeter input, you have RC input and output, a set of binding posts, your power supply, and an on and off switch. Now, the thing that sets the A2 and the A2 wireless apart is the addition of Bluetooth. But Audioengine didn't settle just for the standard Bluetooth. Instead, they use AptX Bluetooth for higher quality. Now, we're starting to see AptX being the industry standard in high-end audio gear for Bluetooth. So it's really cool to see that Audioengine made sure to put the higher quality and that new standard of Bluetooth inside of the A2 wireless. Now, for a deeper dive into AptX, read our article on the A2 wireless located on our website. And the link to that article is in the description below. These speakers are designed and sound best when listening at close proximity. But with the added Bluetooth capability, they do a pretty good job of filling a small to medium-sized room, giving you the ability to really just entertain a group of friends or the flexibility to sit away from the speakers when listening to them. Now, the sound out of the A2 wireless is super crisp and the speakers complement the details of your favorite music. Now, if you are in the market for a brand new pair of smaller bookshelf speakers, these are it, especially when you throw in that they've got Bluetooth, AptX Bluetooth in them, that higher quality, higher standard of Bluetooth. These are phenomenal. The construction is amazing. The binding posts on the back are high quality. You're gonna get every bang for the buck when you swing for the A2 wireless. Thanks for tuning into this video. We always appreciate you guys watching our videos, liking the videos, subscribing to our channel, and always dropping the occasional comment below in the comments. Now, if you are interested in learning more about the A2 wireless, we have a full in-depth review over on our website. The link's in the description of this video, and we hope to see you guys again soon.